Hi everyone, today I'm going to be sharing how you can do this stunning bronzy eyeshadow look. It's literally only going to take a few minutes. It's so pretty, so versatile, and it looks amazing on camera. So let's get into it. But yeah, this is what it looks like. So pretty. Okay, so the first thing that I want you to do is I want you to grab any bronzer that you have, and I'm just going to be using this one from Hourglass. It's so pretty when it's used as eyeshadow. And you want to get like literally any eyeshadow brush. Any one you use is fine. This look isn't that difficult, and so you don't need to use like a super precise brush. My concealer exploded, and so it's like all over the brush. Okay, anyways, what you want to do is just get the brush all over the bronzer. This is how much you should have, and then kind of just go like that to get any extra off. And then what you want to do is just start to move it back and forth like right here from the, I would say like the middle to the end of your eye. And this is the best way to add some dimension. It gives your eye a little bit of drama, but it also doesn't look like too much, which is good, you know? So it's a good eyeshadow look for the day or night. And this like single eyeshadow look literally levels up your makeup so much. It looks amazing. Like only a little bit of bronzer left on your brush. You can just kind of go over it like that to kind of blend it in and make it look a little bit more tied together. I'm like low-key in a rush. I have to leave in 10 minutes, and so I was scrambling and I did my whole makeup look literally in like under 10 minutes. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the same thing on the other eye and just continue, kind of look in a mirror actually to make sure that you're being like precise. But yeah, that's literally all you need to do. Super easy. And I literally love the Hourglass bronzer as eyeshadow. It looks so good. No one talks about it. Like people, like you'll see it on Instagram and stuff, but like no one actually talks about it. And it's so good. Okay, now we're just gonna do a little bit kind of like on the beginning of the lid, but you don't really need to even add bronzer there. If you like how it looks with just the bronzer kind of on the end of the eye, that's fine. You can keep it like that. I'm gonna add actually like a little bit more right here. That looks the same, I think. If not, it's fine, whatever. Okay, now we're gonna use the Fenty Beauty How Many Carats, and this is an amazing eyeshadow. It's so pretty and looks so good on camera. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, I'm like almost done with it, but a little goes a really long way. And what I want you to do is just get it. I would recommend using your finger to apply this. And just get it all over your finger, kind of like that much. You can see it's like almost, it kind of like reflects. It's really cool. Okay, and then you just want to look at that. And it literally looks so pretty. Look at that. And then you can kind of just use your finger to blend it in. But yeah, that's all you need to do. It looks so good. Other eye. Look at that shine. It's so pretty. I'm literally never gonna get over it. Okay, now what you wanna do is you wanna curl your lashes, and you can curl this any way you want, but just make sure that the eyelash curler isn't touching the eye so that it doesn't ruin the eyeshadow look, because that can happen and then it's gonna kind of make it look less neat. It's not gonna look as good as it can look. So just like keep that in mind. There we go. And then I'm going to be using the Lash Princess. I think this is a curl and volume mascara. Oh no, this is a false lash effect mascara. And it's so good. Okay. Looking good, looking good. I'm usually like very organized when it comes to like my time, but today I'm just like not. And so it's weird having to like rush through everything. My cats are fighting. That's fun. Okay. Now we're gonna do this eye. This is a really good mascara. It's very affordable. It looks so good, and it little goes a very long way. Like I don't have to keep getting more from the container. Like this is all I need. Do with whatever is remaining on the bronzer brush, I just want you to sweep it back and forth like this. And this is gonna kind of open up your eye. It's gonna give it a little bit of warmth, and it also ties in that eyeshadow look. Make sure to not add any more bronzer, because then it's going to look a little bit weird if like your under eye is dark. You see how it's a very subtle bronze? That's what you want, just so that it's not too overpowering and looking weird. Okay, now next. This is how you can level it up even more. So let's say you like this, but you know, it's nighttime now and you're going out for dinner or whatever. add some kajal. So this is just a black waterline, and this is essentially, it's just gonna like make it a little bit more fierce, and I wear it every single day, so I'm just gonna apply it even though it's daytime. But yeah, what you want to do is just get any kajal pencil, and you just want to my voice cracked. Okay, and you just want to like slowly take your time with this, but just draw it along your waterline, and you can see the difference that it makes. It's like, it's so pretty, and it really, I feel like, especially with this eyeshadow look, it just ties everything in together and makes it look a lot more cohesive. And boom, there we go. That's how you do my favorite everyday bronzy eyeshadow look. It's super simple. Only, you know, you only need to use a few makeup products, which is also really nice. It's not this whole thing where you need to be using 1,000 eyeshadows to get a really good look. So yeah, I hope you found that helpful, and I'll have my written tutorial for this link below, and be sure to check out more beginner makeup advice on beginnersgatetomakeup.com. Bye everyone.